Guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series, and today I'll be taking environment MCQs. And as you know, so we are every day we are bringing 5 MCQs which are of UPSC level, and I hope you guys are regular and watching all our videos and taking proper guidance from sir. And those who are appearing for 2024, they can definitely join a batch which is for 2024 batch, right? So now let us start the first MCQ. So what is the primary cause of ocean acidification? So this must be very easy for you guys. So the options are industrial pollution, B, deforestation, C, increased solar radiation, D, rising carbon dioxide levels, right? So you know the drill. You have to write your answers in the comment section, and you have to write the score as well. Okay, so let us see. Answer is D. So ocean acidification, it occurs due to the absorption of excess carbon dioxide, right, from the environment by the seawater. And then what happens is the pH level, the pH level decreases because it makes it more acidic, and it affects the marine life and coral reef. Now the second question, which of the following is a keystone species in the Amazon rainforest, right? Options are jaguar, capybara, spider monkey, and then leaf cutter ant, right? So let us see the answer now. Answer is D. Leaf cutter ants are considered as a keystone species in the Amazon rainforest, and they play a vital role in the nutrient cycling and plant growth. And also they also transport leaves to their underground colonies, and they contribute to the soil fertility and ecosystem health. Third question, what is the concept of planetary boundaries in the field of environmental sciences? Options are the limits of Earth carrying capacity for human population growth, the thresholds for irreversible environmental damage caused by human activities. Option C, the boundaries set by international agreements to address climate change. D, the geographical boundaries of protected areas and national parks. Answer is B, the threshold for irreversible environmental damage caused by human activities. And planetary boundaries refer to the limits within which humanity can operate sustainably without causing irreversible harm to the earth system, right? And these boundaries include factors such as climate change, biodiversity loss, freshwater use, and ocean acidification. So now the fourth MCQ, what is the primary objective of REDD plus program in the context of climate change? Options are promotion of renewable sources in developing countries, B, reduction of greenhouse gas emissions from deforestation and forest degradation, C, implementation of sustainable agriculture practices to combat climate change, D, protection and restoration of marine ecosystem and coral reefs. Right, now let us see the answer. Answer is B. So the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions from deforestation and forest degradation is the answer. The red, that is red plus, reducing emission from deforestation and forest degradation. So if you know the if you knew the expansion of REDD plus, you would have answered this question easily, right? So this program is it aims to incentivize developing countries to reduce carbon emissions by implementing sustainable forest management practices and preserving their forests. The final MCQ, which of the following is an example of an anthropogenic geomorphic landform, right? So your options are glacial valley, B, sand dune, C, volcanic crater, and D, karst cave. Now let us see the answer. Answer is B. Sand dunes are often formed or modified by human activities such as construction, mining, or the alteration of natural landscapes. They represent a geomorphic landform influenced by human intervention, right? That's why anthropogenic. So tomorrow we'll be back with another set of 5 MCQs, and hope you guys will be will watch all the videos, and if you're liking these videos, please share as much as you can and also like these videos. Thank you.